Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you Amazon wardrobe refresh sale haul, and some of these pics are dedicated for the Christmas vibes, Christmas gifts, Christmas ornaments and all that stuff. So Amazon is having 50 to 80% off, and it is on top 1500 plus brands, and the styles are 1 lakh plus, so easy pay on delivery and 30 days returns also. So let's get started. The links for all these items I'm showing you will be in the description box. So let's get started. First of all, if you are already noticing my nails, these glitter nails are, so this is in natural light, of course. In flash it is something else things, and it is so gorgeous in real life. I don't know, camera is not catching that kind of glitter. And also my top coat has deteriorated with time, so it's like dull and mattish. Amazing fine, and this particular color is perfect for Christmas. Mine is overgrown, so I will change it. It comes in a very sturdy packaging. It's from Gilivia. It's called this Gilivia thing, and this is a new brand, and I of course shopped it, and out of nowhere, I didn't know about anything. I just went with the Amazon reviews and the pictures, and I thought it would be too good to be true, but it was actually true. And I have showed it in the Instagram stories. People were stunned. A lot of them shopped at least 2 shades from the same story. They got influenced by me actually. So this is the color. Let me show you a bit. I won't be applying it in front of camera because I'm not applying the nail paint right now. So you can see it's more of a chocolate brown. It will be more sheared down when I apply it, but this is the kind of color. It's beautiful. It's more of a neutral tone than warm, so it will really look good. It's called Broken Diamond in the shade 008. The sheer stocking with inner fleece of skin color, so it's been raved around, and Instagram mein to वैसे ही so many influencers are wearing and styling it. I will do that too, but let me show you on YouTube. So inner fleece is okay. I'm not really concerned about that. It's good and warm. It's thick and it's soft, super soft actually. So in extreme winters I would love wearing a warmer inside, but in Indian winters it will be fine, perfectly fine in this kind of thickness, and the sheerness is also good. So size S, there were many sizes, so you can I think it's not something very tight, so I prefer that kind of thing for the stockings, because I don't want something to tug in, so that it has more chances of being worn out. So it's very in hoops from Yellow Chimes. It is a golden hoop with multiple circles. So many western outfits that you have to wear in the Christmas time. I think it goes with my face shape as well. I was willing to wear something like this because it just adds a little bit of elegant, and it's not over the top for the for the outfits that I'm gonna wear in the coming season. Next are these really gorgeous earrings from Virasi brand. Look at that. Looks so elegant. It's a matte golden. It's like a very muted golden color, and it has some elements on it, and it is such a quirky pair of earring, and I really loved it on the first look, and I really wanted to buy it. So look at the stones also. It is having some multi-color thing and dimension going on. I think I would love to wear it with Indian as well as Indo-Western. I don't know with Western as such, but it's a little big for me. But I think it will go if I'm leaving my hair open and all. So what do you think, guys? Let me know. I really like it. So let me show you. It came in with the pair. So this is the thing. So like the butterflies going on, and I am a little unsure on how to wear it. So I think you just keep it on top of your ear like that. And this is, I'm wearing earrings. I will remove it of course, but how it is, I will actually go off camera and place it nicely, but this is how it is gonna be. I will style it really soon, maybe in Christmas, maybe around that time, New Year. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Good addition. It's a very different kind of style, and I don't have anything like that. I have a one single ear cuff that's really bold, just for 1 year. So this is a pair, so I don't know if I'll be wearing both together because it's a little over the top for me. So I'll see to it, but it's cute. I loved it. It's such a sexy leather skirt. I love leather in winters, especially North Indian winters. It's a perfect season to wear leather and flaunt it. With or without stockings, this is perfect. Abhi daytime I'm wearing it, so I am going off stockings for now. I'm at the workplace and later on I'll be shooting, but in the evening I think stockings will do the job because I'll be cold otherwise. And it looks so comfortable. The inner has a little bit of fleece in it, so it doesn't really sticks to your skin. And the things you can actually shop for yourself or gift it to somebody in Christmas. These are really good finds, and if you found something amazing for you, let me know in the comment section. And next video will be a Christmas makeup look. It will be all glittery eyes and lips, probably glossy lips, I don't know, let's see. So that's about this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.